Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting with an overview. Of course, on the daily chart we are in Solana in a big zigzag toward the upside, A, B and a C. Your wave C of course has to be finished impulsively, of course, with a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. So currently we can say that we are in a wave 5 for 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Now your wave 4 was supposed to be finished here as an ABC. Let me explain what happened in Solana exactly lately, because it showed some weakness, of course. It was supposed that we have finished ABC exactly on this bottom here, on this low, and we were in several 1-2s here. And then of course 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 has invalidated this impulse directly by reaching your zone 1 here. Yeah, so it has transformed this into a corrective wave, meaning we had to read, of course, to finish this still wave 5 toward the upside, has left us, of course, one solution, which is, of course, contracting diagonal. And that because it has transformed this into a correction or zigzag, let's say. And the only way to be bullish with a zigzag, of course, is a contracting ending a diagonal toward the upside with several zigzags, of course. Now, in that case, we have, of course, finished here a WXY with a zigzag for W, zigzag for X, a triangle for your wave E, perfect finishing, and then ABC for your zigzag as a wave 1, and then zigzag for your wave 2. And now we're still looking for a zigzag. I know that we hit almost the perfect fib level for wave 3, but I do not believe that we have finished, because it should look again like a zigzag. Therefore, lower prices as expected yesterday, I think, or before yesterday. Sorry, I forgot when it was the last analysis. But yeah, the last analysis was, of course, that we are looking for lower prices. And here we go. We need to see a zigzag, right? And then, of course, not hitting the 1-to-1 fib level. Because hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, that's not good. Normally, when I tell you we hit the 1-to-1 fib level for a contracting diagonal, that means, of course, a wave 3 toward the upside, but not in this scenario this time. Be careful with it, guys. Not this time. Because this time it might be very different. It might be an A, so zigzag or 3 wave up, 3 waves down. If we get higher, means this is your wave C toward the upside. Okay, wave C, reaching over the 1-to-1 fib level and turning this whole thing into bearish scenario, okay, into corrective scenario. Because if we invalidate, of course, this contracting diagonal toward the upside with a long wave 3, which it should not supposed to be longer than your wave 1, because it invalidates the diagonal. So we don't have an impulse, we don't have a diagonal, so we're not bullish anymore, right? Once we this is our last chance for Solana, I would say, yeah, for bullish. If we invalidate this, it's gonna transform totally in a big correction, meaning this will transform to a wave C in A B, and a C. You already got here your WXY as 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. Our famous pattern, of course, as an expanding flat, meaning correction wave C toward the downside, hitting, of course, all around the 1.38, $117 again for Solana. So yeah, guys, you don't want to invalidate this ending diagonal to be bullish, right? And then, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing in a perfect ending diagonal, very nice pattern. And then, of course, yeah, then moving toward the downside. So in case both case scenario will lead us to lower prices at the end, but this one will be very, very surprising. Yeah, I am like unexpected. Yeah, so you will miss it, guys. I'm pretty sure. So probably much, of course, nicer to, of course, yeah, have a nice contracting diagonal. So basically, this was it for, of course, yeah, Solana. So let's check the KGT. Sorry, I didn't prepare this time for Solana, but here we go. On the KGT, let's take the 5-minute chart here. As you can see on the 5-minute chart, we have a top for sell, which it shows, of course, lower prices as expected, and we are expecting here a correction, as we said. in the last analysis. But look what we have here. We have a kind of divergence. Yeah, it is a divergence, but not very strong. But as you can see, we saw a little bit higher prices. Oh, okay, this was the weak signal. Yeah, but I think, yeah, we're still in this divergence. But don't forget that we are in a corrective, of course, wave for Elliott analysis, right? We are here into a corrective wave, and then we want to move towards the upside. So basically, this is a signal that I would like to see. However, I don't like the shoppiness after it, right? So basically, we should go higher, guys. I mean, it looks even a little bit 1-2s here. 1-2, 1-2, and then probably moving for higher prices. So let's check a little bit on the 1 hour chart, by the way. On here, let's see what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, invalidation, of course, meaning ABC, finished wave B. And I cannot consider 1, 2. Now, this low was taken, I think. No, okay. It was not taken. Then 15-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is an impulse. Okay. But the problem is that this was very low. Meaning, if that is your wave 2, here, if this is a 1, 2, big 1, 2, we reached the 1-to-1 level and we were very close even to take the low. And that might be the problem. I think that we did not finish correction, guys. I think we did. I think we're gonna take the low was very, very few dollars. You know, this is what Solana says now, and this is what KGT tells us. Because you have the signal, not very strong divergence, right? Shoppiness after it, meaning it might take the low again, give us a bullish divergence again, better bullish divergence, and then moving towards the upside. Yeah, so these are the inside. I think one more leg towards the downside would be perfect, meaning a B, and a C. Yeah, that would be awesome. I think this would be great. A, B, and a C, finishing your this correction for the zigzag, because of course you are A, B, and a C. And then of course hitting between the perfect fib levels for a wave 3 here. Yeah. Yeah, so these are the inside, guys. I would say let's give some target if you want here on the 1 hour chart. Let's go back. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting, as I said. Normally for a zigzag, by the way, the perfect fit level for a wave B, here we go. Wave B in a zigzag, yes, here we go. Perfect hit, but still I think we gonna still hit, of course, this need to be reversed, by the way. We still, oh, okay, it's not hit even yet. Okay, the minimum requirement has been hit, but of course we need to hit the 0.5. That's it. This is why, guys. Okay, so A, B, and a C, and then moving in a perfect zigzag toward the upside. And that's why we see the weakness as well on KGT with the divergence. It's not very strong divergence. And we see some choppiness. So basically 223 and then moving for over 290 probably. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. If you're interested in KGT, of course, you can find all details in the description below. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next one. Bye bye.